Today is Christmas Eve 2020, and my people ordered me to come outside to open my Christmas present. I got a handwritten note from the CEO of Traeger Grills. It says, "Dear Ken, please enjoy your Traeger grill.
And invite me over for dinner."
Enjoy your filet mignons tomorrow and your St. Louis spare ribs that you bought at Costco yesterday." Nice.
Little tray.
A whole book thing, a cookbook.
It's very thin. There's two of them. I'm not sure what that is.
What are those, Kenny?
Maybe the grease tray things?
I suppose I need to look at some directions somewhere.
Nah.
A lot of cardboard to cut up.
What's that piece?
It's a side. Do a nice package on, I can tell you that.
They sure do.
Came with a nice cover. Oh. Another end piece. Oh, this looks bent. This guy right here. Looks like it hit something.
Well, I'm sure it's hard when you have to send them in boxes like this to have them end up perfect.
Well, the manufacturer has to figure out packaging for severe handling.
Forgot you could do that.
Oh, look at that. Undressed. That is a lot of cardboard. It's upside down. I guess I need to get the instructions because I'm assuming that it needs to be assembled like this. Assembly guide. I have these openings here that clip onto these guys. Like so. So in the instructions they say use an A and a B and a C. A is a screw, a lock washer, and a flat washer. And they have A, B, C, D, and E. I need an A and a B and a C 4 times. Like that. Screw, lock washer, flat washer. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
I have to get my magnet. Don't drop your screw down there. I'm trading this Traeger screwdriver for a magnetic one so I don't drop the screw down
Again.
Except, oh, these are stainless steel screws. So they're
That's
not.
good though. They won't rust.
They won't rust.
Well,
that's right.
Nice.
Okay, so I'm going back to the Traeger. I'll just have to be a little more careful. Oh, that's why the magnet wouldn't pick the screw up. Do not fully tighten leg screws at this time. After the bottom, shelf, and back are installed, fully tighten all leg screws. Back.
Good girl.
I would think the louvers would go down, but what do I know?
Ow.
You surprised how heavy this thing is?
Yes. This is the one with the bent.
Oh, is that an intentionally bent?
I really doubt it.
If it breaks off, oh my gosh.
So, it goes this way.
That looks right.
It does look right. Put in a little piece of cardboard here so I don't scratch the beautiful paint job. This is being clamped on so that when I bend this, it doesn't just break off. Not something you should have to do, but whatever.
Look at that. Beautiful.
If that's the only defect, I'll be happy. They want you to put all these screws in and close this whole thing and then go in here and tighten the other screws. I guess it's not that big of a deal. I can do it. Some assembly required. No propane required. Just need pellets.
What are you going to do with all our propane things?
Well, we have a propane generator. This is why they want you to keep it loose to align these holes. They don't self-align. Okay, now we tighten everything up. One. We're gonna have some good barbecue now. Backpack, lid handle, bottom doors, front shelf, and side shelf. That's too much for me. I can't handle all that.
Please don't lift anything heavy.
I can help. So just tell me what you need me to do.
Oh, you guys have to flip it over carefully.
It might slide. It's not that bad. Don't get your fingers underneath.
So there are parts. It's hidden in that little area.
Yeah.
Is that the backpack they talked about?
We're gonna have to flip it up first, Anna.
Now it'll be a little lighter.
Got it. Yay!
Good job.
A clean workspace is a safe workspace.
Yeah, I gotta get all the garbage picked up in one spot. Do you like that size, Donna?
I do. This is perfect. This,
Alright, I did it at the start.
which has oil all over it.
What is it? It's greasy,
It's super oily.
so you have to wipe it off.
I think the bucket goes under here. There's like a tube. This piece, I think, is for the grease to go over here. There's a hole. And Traeger logo bucket. Cute little bucket. There's a little clip thing right there that the bucket hangs on. This is a side shelf.
Oh, that's nice. I like that. And that's stainless steel then. The guy said these things are dishwasher safe.
Here.
This goes on the back. This uses the little E screws.
Oh, looking good, looking good. You got your top. Great.
Yep.
Good job, Lee. Guys, like, if you want to film down
That's
there.
the backpack. Goes in to the barbecue, and then you stick this in the meat, and the barbecue will tell you
Yeah, in
how
your
hot
app.
your meat is.
Yeah, you download a Traeger app,
That's
I think.
so cool.
You have to put the bottom in first. This is spring loaded. The
Oh,
top
that's nice.
pin. It's rubbing on the top. I want to get it out so I can bend this bracket down a little bit. Oh, you can get it out.
Wow. This is a cookbook. It gives you recipes on like rubs and stuff. Honey, garlic wings,
How do you know how much to do it?
baked
Ken?
mac and cheese.
A little bit.
I did that.
Got a lot of garbage over there.
Owner's manual.
This is a front shelf.
Traeger pellet grills warrants this barbecue grill against defects in material and workmanship under normal use and maintenance for a period of 3 years.
Is this stubby screwdriver working better?
Yes, this stubby screwdriver. You can't get the long screwdriver in this thing. The edge is in the way.
Is that really the name of that tiny screwdriver? Called a
Yep.
stubby? It's a stubby?
Over.
Yeah, do you see? Well, look at that screwdriver. See how tiny it is?
Stubby. Where's my last part? There it is. They are smart to give you all stainless steel fasteners so they won't corrode and rust out over time.
Finished product.
Oh, nope.
Oh.
Bucket's in there.
Oh.
It goes inside.
Oh, I forgot. Some of them have it on the outside.
They do. They have these fiber washers here so the heat from the lid won't transfer to the handle.
Alright, we've got a Traeger form of tinfoil type thing.
That they don't really tell you where it goes.
Nope. Looks like a floor mat to me. Kind of like in the Prius. That's where the grease goes.
I think that these probably get bent over like so to hold this here.
Probably. This is where you put the pellets. And here's the power cord. Another cool little thing they have. Here's your thermometer gauge.
Temperature
it plugs
probe.
in to
Right there.
yeah.
Silverton 620 Wi-Fi technology. Inside the Traeger box, it looks like this. I use quite a bit of an ink to tell a story here. So make a great playhouse for little kids. Just a couple minutes ago I started the seasoning of the grill. It's gonna get up to 350 degrees. It's supposed to run it for 20 minutes and then turn it to 450 degrees. I don't know how long. I have to look at the instructions. It took a while for it to ignite and start smoking. It sure smells good, even with no meat in there.